Welcome back again on Top of the Odds. We don't under gidigba for you. Let me say we don't under gidigba. And today, we want shook leg inside one trouser with this matter with the on ground. And what be the matter where we drop on top table? Now say security for Rivers State. Who they in charge? When we talk this what you go to wonder one guy say, which pattern? No, just grab bricks more. Maybe we talk and the way it's supposed to be. One militant group where they inside Orashi region for inside Rivers State here, where they call the Avengers. They come outside talk say that they're ready to embrace peace. If it be say the Rivers State government empower them. He said they're ready to embrace peace if Rivers State government empower them. And this kind of word where they talk, it come out after I be say the Rivers State governor Yesu Wike come outside come knock his chest say in short. He the verse say they're ready to clamp down on anybody who misbehave. When we say the River State governor call all meeting with security, those people that were in charge of security talk about the security situation where they inside the state. After that talk, then these people that they come outside. Some of the militants that when we say they still talk to our people that we go interview them. They talk say in short, say they want me to employ them. And they constantly they talk say that word the people they talk say they be criminals. Say they not be criminals. But we still get plenty things so we go talk about this matter. But before we go talk you get the kind of word where we say you must hear from the people mouth first. So that you go know the way you want to look the matter. Because today we want to know which people really they in charge of security for inside the Rivers State. Because now we know they understand again. We know they understand. Anyway, may not be like say we two they talk but we took our eye put for the word when we say this militant group that they call Avengers, they talk.
We are ready to embrace peace. My promise to Rivers State government, if they are ready to do as we said, what I mean is that Rivers State is too big to practice one size chief security. If the empowerment has been done and they still see that the bunker is still going on, then they can take it that we are oppressing the government.
If they give us the chief security of East and West Empire on all the oil line, all the surveillance in East and West, there will be peace on the edge. But for now, they couldn't do anyone. All they do is to use government, pursue us around or to eliminate us. So all we are begging the governor of the state is to look into this matter because we need appointments. We have people that are educated, which will go there and they will deliver.
Okay, making up be like say now we talk the matter. Una don't hear from their own mouth. How una can check this matter? Boma? You know, say you get some kind of time when some kind of story go just vex you for your mind. Say why things they always they be like this, and we go they fold our hand, they look at them every time. I believe say you get what you want to talk about this matter because to those who all of us want to talk and the way it's supposed to be.
Ochuko Miragwa. I don't get one thing where I want to talk about this matter. I get plenty things where I want to talk because I carry verse. I carry verse take come today.
I better take them easy. You know, say again anytime you the verse, it's not the good.
I go try.
Small.
I go try, but I don't feel guarantee say I go take them easy because see, we talk about the security of how many hundreds of thousands, if not millions, people inside Rivers State where they are stake. Now, first of all, they say they be avengers. Who then they avenge?
No,
who be the people where then they avenge? One. Two, they say they not be criminals. Excuse me. You wield guns that you are not supposed. They be part of security agency where they get guns.
I'm not going to even understand.
You carry guns where you're not supposed to carry. You kidnap people. You know the after effect of kidnap, when you kidnap somebody, finish, or you finally release them. You know the after effects? If they take away that person's soul, if they take time for that person to get himself again, if ever that person will get himself again. You kidnap somebody. In the process of kidnap, you kill people. You go lodge bullet inside your fellow man chest or brain, depending on where them put them. Life go. Who go take care of that man's children? Who go take care of his wife? But you say you are not a criminal. Then who are you, Messiah? Avenger? I made them go sit down for my back.
In short, this matter and now waiting not be only we go talk am. You know, say since together we dey talk, Chris, we call phone line. Today, we go open our phone line. Anyway, my people, we tell you now before say the voice of the masses now the voice of God. The time that we show be say you, me, all of us will come together talk on top of this matter because we not go dey inside water make soap they enter inside our eye. We not understand the pattern now whether when you do crime finish you come say you want embrace peace make them empower you, they come empower you. Wetin we dey set for our younger generation? Which kind of thing we dey set give those wey come go school wey decide not to carry gun, wey decide not to do illegal things, wey decide not to be outlaw, wey dey also every day they find work, wetin una wan do for them? Because all this kind of thing, people not go after they don't do things, they come outside say we want peace. Government will come empower them. How long we will continue to do like that? It gets some kind of things. We need to stand up say enough is enough. How many people government they employ? How many that they empower? Where they live their life straight? In short, my people, Mona shook mad. The time they'll come where we say, you self, you go talk, put on top of this matter. Our phone number there on top of your TV screen. Just call us when you talk the way the thing pinch you for your mind. I remember I said now FOC free of charge. You know they pay any money. You they do the calling. We they take care of the other part. So I not get card. That will not be excuse. Start to they call us now. Make all of us talk this thing because it they pay me for my chest. Oh, people know now. So we talk.
Yeah, so you don't say you go fit even get us on top of social media. We there for our website where you go fit watch us from anywhere where you there for the world. Even your people where they for Budo Yibo, call them, tell them, say maybe they follow matter where they happen for inside here. For www.wazobiamax.ng/PH. You go fit get us live and direct. Watch us from anywhere where you did. If that one not do you, we see there for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram with @WazobiaMaxTV, @WazobiaMaxPH, @WazobiaMaxPH. If that one not do you, and you know say it gets something where you need to bring to our attention, may we for discuss and for this table for us in the hot. Follow me for Instagram and Twitter. Follow Ochuko for Instagram and Twitter. Go send us message for there. We go touchlight the matter very well with you. And we go bring and here. We must to discuss them. Make ear for here. But Ochuko, may I tell you one thing this evening. You see this matter what you talk this evening? I know they talk as a presenter this evening. Pardon me. I know they talk as a presenter. And they talk as an indigene of Rivers State. And they talk as person where they live, a resident of Rivers State. And they talk as person
yes.
in life, they at stake.
May we collect this call from Victor all the way from my one. Victor, shoot your mouth on top of the hot.
Yeah, good evening, my brother.
Yeah, good evening, Victor.
How's today now?
Today they fine, no.
Any person where they be for government empowerment should work harder. It's not that you come and say that government empower you when you're not helping yourself. Because government cannot employ everybody in Rivers State. So that is my own contribution.
Thank you,
Victor, thank you. Say you talk, say government not here employ everybody. What do you they do? We go make you they come for empowerment. Now that won't be our concern now. So now once person constitute nuisance, he do plenty wahala. Then the next thing he go come say make they empower them. How long they go encourage all those kind of things? May we ask ourselves for question. Okay, why must they give condition for peace acceptance?
Exactly what I want.
That's not what we support us. Then they give condition.
Ochuko, they say that they give condition for peace acceptance. But excuse me, if you they come, they tell us say you want peace. Who bring the war to you in the first place? Who declare war on you? When they come, they ask for peace now.
Now only your activity make you outlaw.
Only you get up one day, you feel say you dey bold enough. You feel say you get the guts enough to get up. Harass people, just meet them. You don't know them from Adam. They don't do you anything. You point them gun for face. You collect their properties. The one where you kill, you kill. The one where you let go, you let go. Only you know your reason why you get up from your house. When other people they sleep, they make such operations. Then you say you want peace. And you they give conditions for your peace. Who brought the war to you in the first place?
Anyway, we'll collect this call from Godwin all the way from Rumokoro. Godwin, shook your mouth on top of the hot. Okay, Godwin, I beg you try to call us back again. This matter is very critical to we say we really need to look up. Now, you said that they chase you. If they chase everybody for road, you not get what you they do when make the law, the government they chase you. Now you call on reach one stage, you go come outside, start to make demands, start to give conditions. They say, okay, see what I want, see what I want. Now, if we continue like this, they not forget say at a time they do amnesty last year.
No, the first time when Governor Wike carried chair, I think that first 2 years.
Yes.
He don't do amnesty. He said, drop your arms. Drop your arms, leave everything, and we'll go do like say nothing happen
again.
You come, you drop arms, then close chapter. So now, so we go to do every 4 years.
They go to do amnesty. New set go come. They go do their own. Who they not in power, he go start his own. How long they'll do like this?
Alhaji, there was phone line from Ozuoba Alhaji.
Hello,
yes, Alhaji, we dey hear you.
my brother, what you on the top, what I see inside, all the blame is coming from the government. Because what I'm saying is now, if now, today now, I carry gun, go destroy, later I go say, I take this, they gonna come settle me. That's now a very bad news. Because if government say they want to stop those boys, they will stop it. Because nobody will be too sorry with government. That's the way government do. Now, as I do like this, I'll carry gun, go destroy government house, or go destroy commissioner, collect money, or now. After everything, government will come settle me. Wait till they teach my younger ones. Wait till they teach my younger ones. Because now when I do the government will empower me, when I born children, my children will say, with my father, they carry gun, government power. So they go to wait till they road, they hand around. When they do anything, government don't people they give their job. When they carry gun, I will go to our embrace government, make this, make government come settle me. That one are wrong something. This government say they want to stop this thing, so they will stop it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Alhaji.
I will take blessing.
From Jephthah.
Hello, blessing.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah,
good evening, blessing.
What I'm trying to say is that what they are doing is corruption, and there is no way the government should empower them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You see, Ochuko, if government feels say they go listen to these avengers again, then they spoil so many things, and I go outline those things when they spoil. One, they go make people go believe the accusations where some people don't they accuse government say they have follow for inside the insecurity waiting for the state. Yes, they go make people go believe say something there fishy somewhere. Because you cannot tell me that you go give somebody amnesty and in rubbish the amnesty where you give her. Spoil many things, destroy lives, then they can see they make demands and you can't hack into those demands when they make. You don't do that to government. You don't do that to River State. You don't do that to the people.
Mo collect this call from Gift, all the way from Ruma Hollow. Gift, you come out the top as the hot.
Ochuko, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Gift.
Mama, I want to greet you now.
Well done, Gift.
You see, the issue where they for ground, you say, they go away these boys that they carry. The money where it costs, those boys don't fit them. So who they give them the guns? Our government, all these are politicians, when they give them gun finish, for these boys to collect the gun back, now wahala. So you know go put all the blame for the boys' head. When they don't work for them finish, what is next? Now when they don't give them all the power to collect them back, now problem. Now in all this problem, where would they get for this country? So the best way to approach this matter, now make government stand gidigba for their ground, say see wetin we want, and the government say see wetin we want, na so e go be.
Thank you.
But they just dey play with them, so that next time they fit still use them. Na wetin we dey see be that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wewe Gift.
Give say make government stand their ground. Because if truly, as people they accuse government, say that they know they sponsor these young men, then you're not supposed to listen to them.
At all, you not get that they talk.
You're not supposed to listen to them.
The
because
law,
you don't give them the first chance, the
the
first
full
time.
weight of the law will fall on them. Now you just go read Kidnap Act. You just read them. As you read them, finish now. You say you won't come tough on them. Any politician will come outside, come talk, say, come make any phone call. You say the weight of the law will fall on. Now, how you talk and finish the next day? Nice a group where they call themselves Avengers come outside and say, may they come empower, they're ready to embrace peace. Now, may we ask ourselves one question. Why must they be empowered? And apart from that one, who they empower the rest of the citizens?
The good citizens.
The good ones.
Because good work supposed to get reward.
Yeah, good work supposed to get reward.
It is now reward for criminality.
Yeah, for bad things, reward the day. Good things now no reward. Olo now fair pardon them, say okay, now give the amnesty. All the people that don't kill, lives where they don't destroy, children where they don't make fatherless, women where they don't make widow. Which justice called there for them? No justice.
No
Then
justice.
now, may they say peace. And then they bring say they want to embrace peace. They give government conditions. So make government give them work to secure pipeline.
Why?
May
Why
they
must
pay
they
them
be
money.
empowered? Why?
Then they will talk say people where go school, they are among them.
You know how many people when
Which guy talk with that one?
You know how many people wey don go school wey never get job, wey dey sell pure water, dey sell buns, dey sell puff, dey do wetin dey right to survive. You choose to take the high road and you expect to dey paid for am. Excuse me.
Oh, collect this call from Emmanuel from Rukpoku. Emmanuel from Rukpoku. Shook your mouth on top of the earth.
As they hold.
Fire down, Emmanuel.
Okay, I want to talk about this and their people for those Avengers. Now wake up one morning from these Avengers. See, when I come to keep it up and down, you know the phone now. After all the time when you don't wait, after all the things when you scatter for the state, you can't become this government. Why? Me, I just want to talk say make government not ready for it for their issue. Now they use their mouth, now they use their hand do all the for the state too. So make they use their hand to resolve them. Thank you.
Now they use their hand, play the drum, make them dance to ram.
Yeah, make them dance.
Make them dance to ram. No be now when they want tighten things up on them. They go come, they give us. No, I want give us peace.
We want give us peace. Say empower we.
Well, now get up one day, take away from us.
Now, if we continue to do all these things, after we don't give amnesty, they don't do so many things. If we continue to do all these kind of things, where we say they're going to empower people for crime, where you don't do, you come for peace, they can't do. Which kind of future will they set for our children? And which kind of generation we don't want breed? Say, now this be the way we pay. All these are more, now be way to the trick our eye put. But myself don't they para yes since. Based on say this not our state. She dey talk say no, not be. This will not be because of say she be presenter. But this na her state. She not dey happy for the way she dey see things. Me say if I not dey happy, the way they see everything dey happen is everywhere things dey happen. Waiting, you know dey sweet anybody.
You see, make I talk something, Ochuko. There are implications if Rivers State government choose to listen to these conditions of peace acceptance where these so-called Avengers come give us. Then they tell us so, say make even federal government, may they allow Boko Haram to do what they do. Because yes, Boko Haram too, then get their own cause, what they believe say that the reason why they do what they do. Then they tell federal government to say may they allow Boko Haram. That is if they allow our Avengers to avenge on innocent people. That's not one. Second implication be say if they give them these things what they ask for, then I go come ask our Rivers State government, say, the money, the resources, and the positions been there all this time, or I not give them to people where deserve them, or I not give them to both indigenous and non-indigenous where they work hard this Rivers State finish, jobless every day. Or I give them to people wey choose to go the wrong way, then why una dey keep am since una no give am to the people wey really deserve am? That's another thing wey dey for my mind. The third thing wey I go tell Rivers State government, if they actually listen to these things and wey be say the militant group Avengers, then they talk be say, how can Rivers State government, if they actually agree to these things where these young men in they talk, you go use taxpayers' money, take pay people when they kill the taxpayers.
Mojo collect this call from Rumigbo. Born from Rumigbo. Yes, you can add Born. Reduce the volume on your TV.
Born.
All right. I'm very happy for this Ochuku and Boma. As they are talking, I'm very happy. What makes me near the verse now, because all these boys with the worry. Now see government give them guns, give them power. We where the people where we they suffer. We don't have anything where government they do for us. We are annoying. All of us we are Rivers State. Me are the original Ogoni boy, which I don't have anything where to say. It will begin to make me, I will begin follow anything where go do bad. I don't want it. What is happening for my land, I don't like it. Even as Rivers State they scatter today, I'm not happy. Because right from the time when my mother born me, not the so Rivers State in day. But today now, Rivers State will not fit travel from this house to the other house again, which is very bad. Make nobody look for any vengeance face. I'm trying to make nobody, I still repeat, make nobody listen to any vengeance face. Because of we, where is the innocent among them? They're not one reason us. Please.
Thank you, Born.
I carry God bless.
Thank you. May we collect another call from Boma from Elelenwo. Boma, shook your mouth on top of the hot. Oh, Boma, I bet try me you call us again back. Again, I know say based on saying your namesake, maybe he or she don't para any and say today I must talk put. Anyway, this is a very serious issue we face all of us. Let's not be one man thing. The state government need to be proactive. They need to come out for once. How you go to negotiate with people where they cause pain to citizens? You go want to negotiate with them. If you look all this thing now, you see and say there is a trace when they come from somewhere. By the time people see where somebody when he be like say the outlaw, he come there empowered. The next thing start to the control, start to the live life, start to the big boy. Other people go follow. Now you go find out say even those who even go school, those who even learn better handwork, go come look and say once they don't get frustrated, they will come they go join on this group. Thinking say now when I join this group, I go there empowered too.
They not go even bother to go to school again.
They're not go the ones where they already go, where don't find job for how many years they know they see. The next thing frustration will make them join on this group. Why the ones who never go school go just say no need now. This is not the short way. When you enter here, before you go see, government go empower them. You self you go be big boy. You go start to the roof for one cartel. Now go hold every month. They go they pay now one kind money. Millions go they enter on the hand for doing crime.
Then there's one ultimate question. Government supposed to negotiate with militants.
That's what we ask ourselves. Maybe we collect this call from Philip from Rumokoro. Philip, shook your mouth on top of the hot.
Good evening, Mr. Oshoko and Mrs. Boma.
Yeah, good evening, Philip.
This matter we talk today, not the small matter. I'm in line with that my colleague, Bom, the way we talk. I like it very well. Because if you can remember, the time when they do election campaign, PDP, APC, blah, blah, blah. I saw when they show these militant group that they were supporting PDP. So what makes them to support the PDP? In the sense that there must be agreement. Okay, now that PDP failed in the presidential election, what disagreement have they had before they are talking of this peace and calling of government to empower them? So it's the government, the politicians that are giving them a head to cause us to go. If, for example, now the government empower one of them, okay, during election, they will still use these boys to kill the innocent people. So reason it out. We are causing more death. While the innocent are on the streets walking, no job. So I don't really know. We should reason it very well.
All right, thank you, Philip.
Thank you,
but
Philip.
The
All right,
bottom line be say, we no go fit also na the government.
Yes.
They empower them because
Yes.
we don't know who they empower them.
We not even know they empower
We don't
them.
know who they empower them, but whomever will they empower them. What thing we know now be say, would they tell the River State government? Say make them no play by the music where this militant group they carry come. Because you know go they fair. You know go they fair say a woman don't lose her husband or lose her pikin. A brother don't lose his sister. A sister don't lose her brother. And then she go see the person or group of persons will cause pain for her life, her community, her society. They ball on government money. You know go they fair.
May we go collect this call from Mohammed, all the way from NTA Road. Mohammed, trick your mouth to top as the hot. Mohammed.
Hello, Mohammed. I think we don't lost Mohammed for there.
Well, really, there are some kind of things we be saying. We really need to sit down, ask ourselves question. Because how long they will continue like this? The situation, you gonna think say, okay, things they calm down. But it is worse. Because of why? No decisive action don't really take place. They talk on here. A lot of people now they call, they say government, politician. Okay, now we agree say the governor now be the chief security officer, quote, because of say he swore to save lives and property. Before I go, I'm going to collect this call from Ugochukwu from Rumokoro. Ugochukwu, shook your mouth on top as the hot.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Please, this for River State, the chief security, who they in charge? The chief security of the state, now the governor of the state, number one. If they want to tackle security, criminality, and all this in River State, let the governor work with underground people in River State. Number one. Look at our police vehicle in River State. There is no sound police vehicle in River State. So there is no crime. You call police and give them the information, then immediately they will respond. No. Whatever the empowerment the government wants to do in River State, you should put it in security because we are not safe, number one, understand me. And secondly, you should also put eyes on this local government chairman. Also, the government will also help him as the governor of the state. You know, in every local government, they send security allocation. Then let them enforce the law in that community, in that government chairman, SG. Because the chairman, if the chairman works with the governor, all this crime will stop. If now you employ the vendors, what about those widows, the fatherless and the motherless? So government should continue that empowerment. That local empowerment is empower every month. It should give those people that want the money, not those boys that carry gun. Understand me? So government should empower those people that are looking for the daily bread. What about the vendors? Who are the vendors? So this is all about criminality in River State.
Okay, thank you, Ugochukwu, for your contribution. We feel you.
He talked something about, say, may government work with local government chairman. And as of today, you know, say, first of all, the other day, news don't come out, say, government tell community heads and traditional rulers, say, may them do something about, you know, otherwise, they're not going to give them projects again. Yeah. Now, our governor don't even tell local government chairmen. So those local government wey be say na through them local government people they pass and then they come out from bush they attack them. So make them clear their road.
Clear their road. When maybe they see how down go. More collect this call from David from Oyigbo. David, shook your mouth to top pass the hot.
Ochuko, good evening, sir.
Good evening, David.
Hello.
I greet you, David.
I call from Oyigbo. See, that thing where they happen so. This our Nigeria get as it be. It be like ocean. If you don't look, we know if you see what's there down. Those guys, and where they carry those guns, they claim Rambo. So, if you look their body no be like who they find work. Make you know this is an arrangement and agreement where they don't do. Where they find ways to redeem their own part. So the government where they call upon know the language where they speak. Yet we will not understand. So now government, now they know what thing they agree with them for backyard. Because for some time ago, we never hear from them. So now election don't finish, we can't begin to hear their voice again. So make government follow them the way they agree with them. Because if government won't stop them under 24 hours, then go stop them. So that's what I get to stop.
Thank you,
Thank you, David.
Now, you see the whole thing. Everybody they tilt towards government.
My thoughts exactly. My very thoughts.
Government.
My very thoughts.
But make we still look another thing. Yes, chief security officer, na the governor. But you know, say all those one na just for word, na just for talk. But we know say the commissioner of police need they take directive from the governor. Now from Abuja, IG. Now, they get role to play too for each state. Now they be military. They get role to play. In as much as the governor will try to fund them, but the military still get role to play. And are their primary responsibility to catch criminals, to make sure say law and order they each state. Now, in Rivers State now, what did the military they do? Them be still part of this whole thing, or they don't they compromise reach where even themselves we not gonna know whether now there be security agencies. All these boys, because when you check out the boys themselves, almost all the crime when they carry out, they get away with them. Investigation, we don't know how they be. The only one with the year be say we are on top of the situation. We are on top of the situation. We will bring the perpetrators to book. We will bring them to book. That book never still footed today. That book not the full. We still dey wait. So maybe we still divert our eyes. Maybe we look even the security agencies. And he get one word when he say David still talk. When me I still want shook my mouth put. He say, wait, all these people then. He say if you look their body language not be like people when be say they want to work yourself. Now be still this word. Say whether they, although they say some of them they educated, whether so they employable, they employable. If not be waiting, they don't see say if he work, see that our person when he do like this, see and they guide that oil installation. We too make we tell government say we too we want to guide too. Because if una never see that kind of thing before, una no go just come dey make demand say that na wetin una wan do. Government suppose use this one take no say, oh, if we continue this way, e no go stop na so e go dey be. Another group go come say empower we too. We wan do this thing. After that finish, another group go come say empower us too. Na this thing we wan do. In other words, you don dey turn your town to don't they turn your town, your community, your city to wild west to be say now the strong now they survive, the oppressors they survive, the ones so if you carry gun now them go they survive now them go they look up to. No, not be so that they run anywhere.
If he be say the governor even succumb to them, last you go come be say the Avengers don't collect government from their hand. Now then they run the government now because that now one demand where they don't make. So tomorrow, if they like, they fit get up, make another demand.
Of course, now.
Yes. If they fit wake up, say, in fact, this one where we take, say, if they say we know for no take like this, Because this is now, they be like say, don't too small for us. They go leave that one. They go demand for another thing. One day they go just enter government house. Ask who sit down for chair to shift. Say they won't sit down. And that's what we want run our society. Now coming back to the security operative we're talking about the police. First of all, military, as in soldiers, no go fit do anything right now because the police never really invite them to come assist. Because that's not how the process they go. The police need to invite them. The police now get the primary responsibility at this point. At this point.
Yes, with the citizens directly.
Yes, but seeing the way things don't escalate reach, I dey expect say by now, the police for don't involve the army to assist them because obviously then they're overwhelmed. You understand? But now a big slap and a big shame. I don't know if they get pride in that uniform where then they wear. But if they get pride in that uniform where then they wear, if they want to honor that uniform, that position where then they for inside society as police officers, as security officers, then it's a big slap to them. Say bandits don't take over their town.
Sure.
Yes, now.
You not know this. Not be only taxi drivers that get power pass them to disturb them. Then the one we call themselves SAS. Now just if they say any young man they drive fine car now, fear on the double car, you be Yahoo come down. Not be only all those ones that sabi do.
What if
if not that one, their blood is hot.
What if the difference between this one and Yahoo? What if the difference between this one and Yahoo?
They're full road there.
This one a crime too.
They're full of every evening they collect money for road, they cause traffic. If not that one, they're very, very effective. If not the one where they see one young boy, they drive fine motor. If you see the way they say they block you, back, all of them, they come down. They're effective. They're effective. Anything just bad, they don't come. If not that one, they're very, very effective. Then when it comes to the one where be like terrorism, they terrorize people like that one. Call themselves, say, some boys that some cultists that they operate for your. But where? Not be all of them who cannot they generalize, but with the ones who they see with our eye, call most of them. Now then they go tell you say no motor, no vehicle, no fuel for inside the car, they not fit come. We don't know whether na lie with the lie they give. They say so Yahoo boys they dey here, so Yahoo boys they make them wrong.
Before now, Ochuko Miragwa, police when be say they know they give them the things where they need to give them. Police where they're unhappy with the way things they go on for inside society or inside area where they protest. This was not a protest. They're okay with the 15 naira where they collect.
If you ask them, they will tell you say, government not they give us money to maintain our car again. Now the one we they collect for road, we they collect. The governor don't talk say don't release everything where they need to deal with this issue. If you never release them, if you never still release them too, una talk. But we know so they never release them. But we know where would they face our mouth when would they talk. If you never release them too, may una tell us say never release them. Yes now. Yes.
Because they collect security votes.
They collect security
to take
votes.
Care of all these things.
What to the security vote money now? Where they go sef?
So if it be say governor come tell us to say he don't give una everything, they waiting hold una. Why una not they do una job? If you say governor too, he never still give you. Why you know open your mouth to talk?
The one who won't even vex me pass now when I go call you say Thierry Curtis group, they come together with police they call sign treaty for peace. Police did there too.
He signed.
Curtis in Kokon. They call say they want sign peace. People who don't constitute nuisance for the society, they'll call sign peace.
I don't talk about saving the police when they for River State. May they send them go anywhere.
He good.
Send them, may they bring all any other police from any other state carry come.
Wait, this will come me say wait to. Maybe we will talk this thing again small. This will come me say the amnesty not work.
It not work.
It not work now.
It not work. It not work because they say drop gun. They get two, they drop one.
No, they drop all the ones with the wood. The real machine. They keep them for corner.
The amnesty no work. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, please, sir. Excuse me, please. The amnesty, it no work. I beg. So maybe if you want them to think of to give them another one, maybe we not say the first one no work in the first place. They no honor the call where the governor called them. They rubbish the talk, all the agreements where them and governor get. So excuse me, sir, if you give them another one, you are playing with us and you are playing with them. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Make we look some of the way out of all this kind of mess. Now, government need to build factories. They need to build factories to create employment, both for them and for every other citizens within the country. They need to train them on the job as factory workers. That might be the kind of empowerment I feel say government will give anybody to train the people. First of all, you know, say sometimes they go rush carry, they say that they give their training. After you train them, which work they for them? They'll train, they finish, call leave them. That kind of person, there is 99.9% they go back to that crime. After I don't train, finish, you not see work, he go back to that crime. But when government put this in place, build factories, not be one syringe factory in idea our corner here. When they just abandon for you.
No, now one person when they give the money. Now one person when they give the money to send the money, I swallow the money. Now they see
swallow money, not see wickedness. How many people?
You know how many people for work there?
You know how many people for work here?
See.
Likewise, the same factories they still there when they just abandon.
No, they do new ones. Excuse me, sir, please. Excuse me, sir, please. Excuse me. And we not go down the verse for here. We go also provide solutions. Build factory, yes. You're calling the ask which kind of factory. Sir, there are so many factories that we can build in this river.
Many.
The ones that we don't die, sir, we can resuscitate them. We go fit bring them back to function. So that we go fit taking many of these youth, at least the good ones them, while we find a way to deal with the ones that we don't cause havoc. Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir, please. I'm still talking, please. When you want to do, if you want to do new factory, excuse me, sir, you can do toilet paper factory. Yes, tissue paper. Yes, you can do that one, sir.
Of course.
Sir, please, if that one is not enough, this is River State. We have plenty trees. But we'll do toothpick factory. Toothpick factory, sir. Yes, sir, please. We can do that. River State go feed their spot toothpick self come up from inside this state, inside this country. Because even the toothpick we use for this country, pay with the important.
Very important.
Yes. Excuse me, sir, I'm still talking, please. I have something I want to say. Please, we can have fishermen. This is River State. We can have fishermen. You go empower them. Make them go catch fish. Make this River State actually get fish for once. Because the fish, the way we the chop, last, no be our fish for here. Yes, excuse me, sir, I'm still talking, please. Excuse me, because I verse. I beg. When you see they do that one, you feel still make them go learn how to do shoe. Because now the time when we say people they learn how to use their hand to do work. Shoemaker factories, sir, yes, you can do that. Excuse me, sir, one last thing before we go. One last thing, excuse me, sir, please, I'm still talking. You go still teach them how to sew clothes. Fashion now for Nigeria don't take shape. Fashion now for South Africa don't take shape. Fashion now for River State, now this thing what I wear for my body, now jumpsuits. Now person will sit down, graduates, now sit down, sew them. Excuse me, sir, make them to learn how to sew clothes. That one will give them work for their hand, come on, gun for their hand, and give them.
Palm oil still dey, palm oil dey.
Excuse me, sir, one more thing, sir, before you go. Palm oil. And our palm oil where they carry for inside Nigeria, when Malaysia they use say they blow. No verse, excuse me, sir. But we do palm oil. Thank you very much.
The government just did. All the others they collect money, they know they innovate new thing. No new thing whether they innovate to take help the people. Tell me why crime not go full every year.
You go get your own, no? No problem.
More still day. But at least make we just talk all these ones the first.
You know the things when they flow inside river. Now they call a river state. Many things they inside river now. Collect one. Now you can go, sir. Thank you very much.
Anyway, not be to the empower some group of people based on say they make wahala and be the solution we go help us. Rather, you go they breed more beasts we go hunt the society. More monsters we go hunt the society in the nearest future. Because all those kind of cheap way of getting money, they carry anybody go anywhere. The only substitute to shortcut is to be cut short. So in not get where you go carry anybody go. The best way to empower the people is either you give them education or you build factories to make them see where they engage them to make them feel like a responsible member of the society.
Give them sense of belonging.
Nothing go happen. All this
not be solution.
amnesty not be solution.
Amnesty not be solution.
Then make we go back to our dictionary and go look the real meaning of amnesty. Because now we don't bastardize them. We don't say amnesty now for who make wahala, kill people. Just come say I want to repent. They'll cause you give up. That not be the meaning of amnesty. Go check where amnesty originate come. Wait till be the real amnesty. So I beg our government. Time don't reach where we say young people they will get brilliant idea if we change the full state. Time don't reach where we say we will come out of that cocoons of our thinking. Say government na just they common money. The more the youth die, the more the future of the state go die. They say no hope for the youth. The matter is say if you say no hope for the youth, that means no hope for the future. They say money not day, but they get money to the fight war. That means we are not ready for the youth. I beg, may we concentrate on the youth. Give them a good life. I believe say with that one, automatic calm will just enter our society, our state, our country. My people, now for here we go for bar break. The charge come up from the studio. In as much as we need the happy today, that one not mean say we not go still say I beg. The state now all of us on. Make we give peace chance to reign. My name still remain Ochuko Omiragwa. The only man we say maybe like that for national peace to reign. Bye-bye.
May the peace for reign, oh. Normally at the end of this show we smile, but I don't get smile this night. Some of you think like that. Till tomorrow.
Take her easy now. Take
Till
her easy.
tomorrow.
Take her easy. The last time you vex, I know what happened to me.
I don't go.
You don't do